Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a knowledge base into Jasper AI through the use of uploading a file. To get you started, on the home page, look over to your left and click on Jasper IQ. In here, click into Knowledge Base to get you started. If you don't have any knowledge at all, click onto the button Add Knowledge. Select the upload file to use as your knowledge base. In here, try to give your knowledge base a useful name to make it more obvious on how to use it. For mine, since I already have this, since it's pretty much the same as well, I'm going to name it Gamer Knowledge again, but with a little distinction. And now you can upload the file. Make sure that the document file that you're using contains relevant information, and make the content comprehensive, since this is what you have to use to let Jasper have more information to create more accurately or write about any topic. For those of you wondering, this is what is inside the file. You have the option to add a tag that fits into your business or content, or even create your own. For this one, I'm just going to add company information. And you can choose to make it available to all in the workspace or not. And just click onto Add Knowledge Base, and then you're done. You just have to wait a few seconds for it to properly process. And you'll be able to use this knowledge as much as you want in the future. And that's how to add a knowledge base to Jasper AI with the use of a file.